Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Find X3 Pro, and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and then let's find the display and brightness. Now let's scroll down to find the auto screen off option, and as you can see here we've got some options from which we can choose. At the top we've got relatively short options, and at the bottom we've got the longest one, the 30 minutes. So basically all you have to do is to tap on the option like to use. I will pick 5 minutes, and as you can see it is immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on, after 5 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.